Welcome to McKee RV again. What we have for you today is a special treat. This is a pre-owned unit that doesn't look and or feel like it. Right here is a 2018 Entegra Cornerstone 45X floor plan. Really great stuff. So what we're gonna do is just take you along without further ado. Come on this way. So we see here with this unit, it is full body paint. So you can look at this absolutely gorgeous paint scheme. And then looking up top here, you have your dual pane frameless insulated windows. And above that, you have slide toppers. We'll get deep diving pretty soon here. I want to show you some things down here. So you have all ozite lined basement storage here. So what is ozite? That's that tan material you see. It's a sound deadening material that keeps any footprint of sound from coming up into your cabin. So over in this area, you have your slide out trays. Now, if you see here along that warning label, 1,000 pounds is our capacity for that slide out tray. So that slide tray is great for good storage. And we have a second one here for more storage, 2,000 pounds on those sliding trays. That's wild. Now looking over here into this area, we're gonna do a deep dive on this technology another day. However, this is your AquaHot 450D system. This is a hydronic water heating system to give you a nice, moist, warm air to heat your coach as opposed to propane. Now, over here in this area is your water convenience bay. A few things going on here. So you have your black tank flush and your gray tank flush that are gonna be opening up electronically. I've always thought that was cool because a lot of times you're gonna be doing that manually. So gone are those days here in the Entegra Cornerstone. Now we'll keep moving. Back here, you see that we are on a tag axle. Whenever you see this tag appearance there, that means you have greatly increased towing capacity, but also some more stability on the road when the wind comes. We have a side mounted radiator, which is excellent stuff when it comes to breathing in nice, good, clean air for the unit. And our motor's gonna be back here. That's why we call these diesel pushers. If you ever heard them say that out there in the wild, motor's gonna be back here and it pushes you along. And now, looking up there, you can see that you have your backup camera. It looks absolutely excellent up there, doesn't it? Now, over in this area, we have a few things going on. Here in this coach, you have your chassis batteries back here in the back. Those are what's gonna start your motor here in the unit. And then also over in this corner, you see your DEF fluid, diesel emission fluid, the stuff that you're gonna need to be able to run a diesel out there. At least the new ones anyway. So over here, we're gonna get to your other sides of your slide out trays, but really quickly before we do, you see you have a control set here for your inverters. You're able to make a turn off of those, so you have a hard shut off here on the outside of the unit. Now, without further ado, look at these massive bays. So if you're gonna be out in Florida for a month, a year, or two, you're able to really get anything here along inside of the unit. Last but never least, we have our Dometic freezer here on the outside. Really good stuff on, again, another slide out tray. But what I didn't want to forget to tell you about is right here, you have your outdoor television that just rolls right on up. You have your sound bar, and it's going to be a Samsung sound bar as well, so they didn't spare any expenses for you. Now, without further ado, we'll look at the rest of the coach. So closing up the Entegra Cornerstone 45X, a lot of things going on here. We have opposing slides with opposing slide furniture. So whenever you have a slide with furniture here, and then right over here to the other side, over here, you have a big box living room that everyone can sit and enjoy and have a good conversation. Always really good stuff there. Now, if you look down to your floors, look at that design. It looks like the Ritz-Carlton in here. Really good stuff. You have loads of windows absolutely everywhere. A TV that'll go ahead and roll live for you. And continuing on around the unit, look at all of this storage. You see your handles, they look excellent. They feel excellent. This is just like home, a true residential style unit. Now, across the street there, so to speak, here is our kitchen area. So we have our countertop extension, solid surface countertops too. I mean, this is the really good stuff, almost will hurt your hands. And right here, this feels like 5 pounds. I mean, this is the real deal. So you have your nice chrome sink, all those appointments everywhere. We have a televator here that'll roll up giving us all of our spices for the unit as well. You have loads of things here. Look at all of your storage space that pulls out with those really nice ozite lined bits there in the inside. We have our induction cooktop over here. So that's the technology that allows you not to burn your hand when you place it right there, of course. Good stuff. And then right here, last but never least, that is a disguised dishwasher. Come on, I mean, what are we talking about? And now over here on this side, we have our dinette. Again, more of the solid surface countertops, good place to really enjoy and relax. And then right over there, you see you have a television, well placed, as well as a display. I feel like my grandma has something like this on the inside of her house. I mean, and I kind of want to get there too. It's cool stuff. Wonderful size refrigerator. So the Whirlpool refrigerator with water, with ice. This is the stuff of homes as well. Pulling out all of your pantries. Really cool stuff there too. Again, this is the kind of unit where you can go out there and get lost in the world, but are you really lost when you have one of these? Now, looking on the inside of your shower, this is truly something. So, coming on the inside here, we have to do it. This is a full rotation. I mean, honestly, you could probably have another person in here. It's not bad at all. Really good space. I'm not a tall guy. One of those tall guys can really be comfortable in here. So, getting out of the shower here and then looking at your sink, loads of space in there. You can get really anything there from your house into the bathroom in here. Now, your toilet is going to be in its own position here. I would say this is a prime pooping position. Also, it's going to be well and secluded. So, can't complain. Now, last but never least, we have the main portion. We have the bedroom. So, lovely bed here. Look at that headboard. Wow. I mean, that is truly nicer than home for me, at least. You have your solid surface countertops on each side. You have your lovely storage here. So we'll open this up so you can kind of see that is deeper than my arm can reach at this time. That's really cool too. Also, we have a television here inside of the bedroom, as well as all of your storage bits and drawers. Again, you could be out here for quite some time. Last but never least, look at your washer and dryer. So again, you don't need to make any stops anywhere. You have the restroom, you have the shower with all of those tiles inside. You have your washer and dryer, wonderful kitchen. What else were you looking for? So we have units like this and others here at McKee RV. I can't wait till you get in. My name is Khalil Adams. I look forward to helping. My phone number is 515-513-3702. Again, Khalil with McKee RV here, 515-513-3702. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.